most dangerous Amazon forest. One of them is Pulimala. We want very big safe helmet.
Oh my God!
To continue this route.
This is a very big
Very
tree.
difficult.
It's a big tree.
A big tree in 1990.
1990.
Then it's most dangerous. Yeah, I will show you.
Big adventure.
I will show you one view that will make you happy. Look this shit. Yeah. Here in the middle of the earth.
Misa Pulimala.
Very
Go, go.
one big.
Let's go.
Yeah. അടിപൊളിയാ ഉണ്ട് എത്തിപ്പെടുവാടോ ഡിഫിക്കലാ
വഴി ഉണ്ടാക്കി പോകാം.
Perfect.